There's a silence in the wilderness, just the whisper of a breeze. A lonely man among the sheep, restless without peace. When suddenly a mighty voice cried out from a burning bush, Moses, oh Moses, it is Yahweh who is here. Father, hear me calling. Open to your Son and lift me to your throne above. Holy is your name. We worship and we praise you, living God of Israel. Oh Israel, it is Yahweh who is here. Israel, oh Israel, it is Yahweh who is here. Israel, oh Israel, it is Yahweh who is here.